Welcome everyone. Happy Berserker Day. I've been asked to do a quick video tutorial for buyers who are new to the event. I'll be sure to try to keep it brief so you don't lose interest, hopefully, and I'll be sharing my screen as I walk you through the process, making sure you're well prepared for the madness that is Berserker Day. Let me go ahead and share my screen now. Okay, here we go. Now, this is what you'll see when you first get on the website. This is a list of all the different categories that we have, full of various discussions. And I do encourage you on a day other than Berserker Day, if you do like to talk about wine, to come back and participate with us. You can see there's 4.5 million posts or something like that. We'd love to have you. Um, so first of all, you'll see right here, it clearly shows Berserker Day 16 forum. That's where all the deals will be posted once they are live, which again is on, as the date says, January 31st. Now, right now, there's nothing in it because we don't have them live yet, but what it will look like is this. So I've taken this from Berserker Day 15, last year's, and you can see there are a lot of offers. All of these obviously have clearly already dropped and they're already over because this is last year's. But within each one of them, you just click in and you can see what the offer is at the very top. It'll start you there. So each seller has his or her or their own listing, and the links are within each of these topics. So you would just click through and see what you like and purchase what you want, which takes it directly to their website. Now, one of the things to look at, if you focus on something in particular, like Oregon Pinot Noir, or in this particular case, Burgundy. Now let's go with Chardonnay. It's a broader target. So these are called tags. So right here within this sort of information of the title of the offer are tags. There only are 6 allowed per post, but if you know that you like a certain varietal or wines from a certain area, and you land on one of those, well, you can much more easily find them by clicking that tag, and then each one of these are all the other ones that have Chardonnay in it. So you can see this just makes it easier for you to sort through. If we're talking about 100 offers here, and you probably don't want to look at all of them, this is a good way to sort of economize your time a bit. So another one, let's say Oregon. I've been into Oregon wines. See, it's a much smaller amount, but these are all the Oregon offers. So sparkling, another one for those who like champagne. This is great. I didn't realize we had this many. That's fun. So what happens is, again, if we go back to the listings, I'm just going to go right back here. Oops, 15. Okay, so this is all of the list, but when you go back here and you see Berserker Day 16 doesn't have them yet, this is what it'll look like. See where it says nine new or updated topics, and you click those and it'll automatically load for you. Now, every 30 minutes, about 10 of them are going to drop. So that's when you're going to see that page that said 9 new, or it actually would be 10 new, assuming 10 would drop. And each offer, as it is either bumped with a post or is launched, will end up on the top of your page here. So it'll be sort of a constant feed. This is JavaScript, just a constant feed of the offers. And now you know how you can sort through it more interestingly. Oh, this is a fun one. Women in wine. That's not even one of the tags. So the other options that you have. So preview day is the day before. So that would be January 30th. There are special deals for the Grand Cru crew and the Monopole crew, and I will show you those if you do decide to join. I went too fast. Go here and memberships, and then you have your options here. Grand Cru crew and Monopole crew have the opportunity to purchase from selected offers the day before. And what's good about that is that you can clearly see there's a lot of offers. So it gives it the opportunity to sort of get a jump on some of those offers. So if you do have interest in that, you would join this and then you would have access on the day before, which again would be January 30th in this case. Certainly not required. And also what's not required is you don't even have to register. So this is open to the public, and we want as many public buyers, lurkers as possible. Um, in if you do decide to register, we'd love to have you. That is the way that you will be able to communicate with them. That's the magic of Berserker Day, really, is you have this opportunity to. Here's the producer. This is one of our favorites, Wagyu beef. Um, and you can reply, you can ask questions. See all of the this is discussion. It's not just going to a website and buying something and going away. You can do that if you want, but if you have questions, you want to know about Cabot Vineyards, you want to know more about wines in Humboldt County, you can ask questions. This is John Cabot. This is the owner and the winemaker. You can have a direct conversation with him as, let's scroll through, I'm going fast, sorry, all of these people have had. So on this event, what makes it special is this. Look at he's commenting to each of these people. Having that direct connection with them is really something that I invite you to enjoy. So even if you don't plan to participate throughout the year, you want to register and communicate with them. It's wonderful. It's something really special. Um, and if you have any questions, we do have here in the Berserker Day forum. This is the master thread. I'm again scrolling through quickly, but this is the information. This is where most of the basic information is. I hope you read it because it has, how does it work, categories, tags, all of the things that we've spoken about are in here. So this information is available to you anytime. And also, if you register, then you can reply and you can ask questions, and happy to answer. So I am going to leave you with that and hope for a fantastic Berserker Day for everybody. Let's go.